Aiden, jump. Aiden, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Jump.
Kieran, go and show Aiden how to do it.
Okay, you do it like, yes, like jump, jump.
He's banging on the ground.
Jump, jump. Yes, jump, 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 jump. Yes, very good. Jump, jump.
Aiden, do you want to give Kieran a go? Aiden, you come here. Let Kieran do. Aiden, you come off and let Kieran do. Good boy. Oh, Kieran's much bigger. Do you see Aiden? You see? Kieran's jumping.
Yes, I did win.
Kieran, I want Aiden to hold on to onto the safety handle. So can you hold on to it so he sees you doing it? Okay. Can Aiden do it again now, Kieran?
Yes.
Aiden, do it again. Aiden, do.
Bouncing, bouncing, jump, 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 jump.
Yay! Come on, Aiden. Come on. Kieran's showing you how.
Yes, very good, Aiden. Yes, jump, 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 jump.
That's pretty good. Hope it doesn't bounce off it. Oh, he's getting tired now. Ah, time for a break. Time for a break.
Jump.
Don't bang heads. Don't bang heads.
Jump, jump, jump. You know?
Okay. You can, but